This is a short tutorial on how to request materials from other libraries, also known as interlibrary loans. At the wdt.edu website, you'll click on the menu in the top right corner, scroll down and click Library, scroll down and then you'll click on Borrow Materials from Other Libraries. Type in a search term that you're looking for. It can be the title of a book or just the subject. It'll take you to the site. At this point you won't be logged in, but it'll bring up the results of your search. Now that title, it looks like it's exactly what I wanted to find, so that's a good search. Be aware that the site does take a while to load because it's searching through 80 plus library catalogs. If you see the one that you want, just click stop, and then you can start going on to looking at other details. At this point, you can click on View Details and see that there are a couple of libraries that do have the copies. Click on View Details. You will need to log in order to request this. To log in, you just click Login tab in the top right corner. Make sure that you've chosen Western Dakota Tech Library from the drop-down menu. And then your username is your student ID number, and your password is your last name plus the number 1. If you have a short name that's less than 5 characters, you'll just need to add the number 2 or 3 at the end. So if your last name is Lin, L-I-N, then it would be L-I-N 123. If it's Parr, P-A-R-R, and then 12. If you have any difficulties, contact the library to confirm your login. Click Submit. From here, once you have logged in, you may need to type in your title again and do another search. Doing the same thing, stop the results, request the item, and it will remember your information. Here is when you will have to change the date. The default is to go 5 months out. You can click on the calendar and say that you need the book within 2 weeks. That will speed up the process. And then just confirming everything else and click Submit and say OK. And then you just wait for the book to be sent to the WDT library, and library staff will email you to let you know when your book has arrived. Be sure and check your student email for that. Next, if you want to do a search for a journal article, then you're going to be using what's called the blank ILL request form. Click on that from the top menu, and you're going to see non-returnable copy. Agree to say yes. It's going to be a serial, which is library jargon for journal or magazine. And the format that you need is electronic. So from here, what you can do is you can copy and paste an abstract citation, whether it be from Google, Google Scholar, or one of our databases that just offers you the abstract and not the full text. What I like to do is just copy and paste the citation from where I found the abstract, and that can be from our databases. If you found an article that just gives you an abstract and not full text, and that's why you need to request it, or if you found it through Google or Google Scholar, and again you just found an abstract, not a full text, what I would do is just paste it into the field here and removing all the data that you don't need, so you're not going to need the retrieve from, but you will need other parts of it. So right here, first off, this is the author, so you want to cut that out of there and paste it into the author field. And then this is the date, so you take that out of there, paste it into the article date. This is the title of the article. This is the name of the journal. Then take out this other part and paste it here under volume, issue, and pages. Do want to take out the name of the article here and paste it there. So you have the title, article author, the article title, the volume, issue, and pages, the article date, and then this is where you can change the date. Again, the default date for borrowing is 5 months, but say you need it in 2 weeks, so you would just change it to 2 weeks out, confirm your name, and then click Submit. And you can print the request here for your records, but again, you will hear from library staff when your article has arrived in the email inbox, and it will be forwarded to you, oftentimes coming with a code to be able to access it to open it up. If you have any questions, you can always ask in the library. We're open Monday through Friday, 7:30 to 5. You can email us at library@wdt.edu.